This is the new Thermaltake BlacX 5G HDD docking station, which supports all 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA hard drives in all capacities. It also supports USB 3.0 as well as SATA 3.0. This is now new, guys. SATA 3.0 is the latest addition in SATA hard drives. Here you can see some specs. Here you can see SATA 3, which is the latest addition in this superbly looking device. In the accessories you will also have a USB 3.0 cable, which is fiber optic. So this looks really cool. Here are some screenshots. There are some features which are included. Guys, this is both Windows and Mac OS compatible, so all you Apple guys as well can go for it. And this device comes with a 3 years warranty as well.